Hi, my name is Nicole Vinson and I'm an attorney with the Stockham Law Group. Today I'd like to talk to you about 3 things that a policyholder should know in the event of a fire loss. A fire loss to your home or business is a significant and can be a very devastating loss. In times of panic or going through a situation that is this serious, oftentimes policyholders aren't sure what to do. The first thing you should know is that you need to promptly report this claim to your insurance company. It's critical that you cooperate with the insurance company and provide them the information that you have. One of the things that can help is if you discuss with the insurance company things that you don't know. You don't know how bad the damages are and that you want everything checked to try to ensure that they're giving you a very detailed and dedicated evaluation and inspection. All too often, insurance companies rush the inspection or they send out an adjuster who's not adequately trained. With the significance of a fire loss and how many components can be damaged by the ensuing smoke or the remediation efforts after the fire loss, it's just critical that things are not ignored or overlooked. Number 2, it's very important that you cooperate during the fire loss investigation. You don't have to go this alone. You can get assistance with respect to what you're required to do when there's a fire loss, but the number one thing is your policy of insurance. You want to review that because there's likely going to be a clause that says that you need to cooperate with what is reasonable. And then number 3, it's making sure that the damages are properly paid for. The insurance policy is going to be the key to this. Not everyone understands the fine print or the extra pages attached to their insurance policy. So if you want to have more of an understanding about what you paid for, how you're supposed to be paid when this all gets settled out, this is something that we can look at and review for you so that you can make sure you're getting your property back to its pre-loss condition. That's what the insurance policies are designed for. But far too often, we see that the response from the insurance company is too little, very delayed, and often they've forgotten or failed to pay for things that would normally be included. If you have questions about this, please feel free to contact us so that we can go through this with you. Thank you.